Hey guys, how's it going? DUJ2 and Littlebird here, and welcome back to another unboxing video. It's Unboxing Saturday. Some of you clever people out there may have noticed that on Saturdays I am releasing unboxing videos, and we're gonna have Unboxing Saturday. This is a day where I try and release videos of different products that companies have reached out to me and given me to try out. Also, I have a bunch of stuff over there that I want to unbox and share with you guys. So get ready. There's going to be a lot of unboxing content coming to the channel. And today's video comes to us from KILLABEE. KILLABEE is a gaming chair company, and they reached out to me and they said, hey, we want you to try out our big and tall gaming chair, the 8257 Black. And actually, if you guys would like to check out this chair, there's going to be a link down below in the comments. You guys can go ahead and click it if you want. And also, they've given me a code PGNT, if you want to check it out. I believe it gives you $15 off your order. So, KILLABEE reached out to me. I don't know if Littlebird said that I was getting maybe a little fluffy. But they have chairs for big and tall, and if you see over right here, it's got a heavy duty metal base, but if you go down here it says exceptionally large size, right there, exceptionally large size, and a maximum weight of 400 pounds, and the recommended height is 5'8" to 6'2". I'm 6 feet tall, which put me right in the middle. And even though, you know, Littlebird may have been getting a little fluffy too, and of course I've gained a little bit of weight right now during all this time that we've been indoors, I think together combined, we don't hit the 400. We might get a little close, but we don't hit the 400 yet. Now this chair, like I said, they reached out to me. We talked back and forth, and they said, we're going to send you something out. And I'm like, all right, cool. And this is what showed up at my door. Now, this chair this box might not look like much, but if we put Littlebird on there, this chair is chunky. This is a chunky box. Now normally, you guys know, whenever I do unboxings, I do them on a table and I put up the box and I unbox it and I open everything up and show you guys. We're not going to do that. We're not doing that in this video. Hey guys, future DUJ2 here, disregard the DUJ2 behind me. I'm going to have to pause here for a second because I gotta show you some stuff. So I am currently in the process of putting this chair together, and I have to take a moment and talk to you guys about some things. First of all, when it says that it's a heavy duty metal base, it is a heavy duty metal base. Now this thing is reinforced up the muffin. I can tell why it's capable of supporting up to 400 pounds. So first thing I want to show you guys there. The second thing I want to show you guys is the quality of this, and I think this is real leather, which I'm kind of surprised they don't call that out. But if you guys check out the pattern of that, look at that. This is the little back pillow that you put behind you. It's got the little. First of all, very cool work on the logo, and it kind of looks like a carbon fiber. So where I thought it was just like a black, you know, smooth chair, it looks like carbon fiber. Oh, oops! I just lost Littlebird there. We're gonna have to put him back up here. Actually, you know, he said he wanted to check out so he's gonna stay right here. He's gonna go be laying on the little. He's gonna be laying on the little cushion there. The next thing I want to show you guys is the armrest. Now, like I said, I'm in the middle of putting this together. The armrest seems to be able to pivot back and forth, so we're gonna have to see how that works. Oh, you know what? This is probably for laying down. And the armrest is absolutely. It's so plush and soft. It's got that same material, same style. The work on it is it's amazing. It looks absolutely incredible. Looks very sturdy too. Hard plastic on this one. And the final thing I want to show you guys is the lumbar pillow. Now, I didn't know this at first. This is the lumbar pillow right here. But the lumbar pillow had this little thing coming out of it. And I was like, what is that? And it has a back that I know it's a green button. It has a vibration. So this lumbar pillow vibrates. I'm very excited to try that out. So just had to pause the video here, guys, because had to, take a moment. I'm sorry, past DUJ2. We're going to get back to it, guys. Thanks a lot. And yeah, I'm really excited to put this together. And the reason for this is this box is too heavy. It's too heavy for me to pick up and put on my table. It is so heavy that if you do get it, I will have to tell you guys, please be careful. Be careful, because this is a chunky chair and it is a heavy chair. So I just left the box on the floor. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to go ahead and I'm not going to do what I normally do. Like I said, I'm not going to unbox it and everything. I'm going to talk to you guys. We're going to check out the description on the website, and then I'm going to put it together off stream, and then we're going to come back and I'm going to review it. I'm going to show you guys some of the features of it, and just talk about it, because it does seem like a very interesting chair. So if we go over here, back over here, some of the features of the chair is a padded thickened armrest, detachable lumbar support, adjustable backrest, a retractable footrest, smoothly caster, or smooth, I guess that meant to say smooth casters, soft memory foam seat cushion, which is very cool, a comfortable work mode, reading mode, watching movie mode, and a taking a rest mode. I like that. I like the fact that they call it multiple different modes. And as you guys can see, this looks definitely like a office chair. It looks like a very comfy office chair, which is also what really brought me to wanting to check them out. And if you guys want to check out their website further, they have a ton of different chairs. I do have to call out to this one, their Fantasy Lab chair series. Look very cool. And there's this. Look, check this one out. This is a Fantasy Cool series. Look at that. I want to try out that chair. I don't know, man, they look cool, man. I don't know. Maybe the black one? Let's take a look at the black one. Look at that chair. That chair looks really cool. So anyway, what we're going to do right now, guys, is I'm going to go and I'm going to put the chair together with Little Burr, and then we're going to come back and we will test it out and see exactly what this chair is all about. So let's go. Hey guys, we're back. All right, so Little Burr and I just finished putting together the chair. And I have to say, this chair is, in a word, comfortable. If I had to use another word, heavy duty. It is indeed for big and tall. I'm going to say this from the very beginning before I get sidetracked or before I go rambling off. This chair feels like a comfy office chair, and the gaming chair came together and had a very cool carbon fibery type of chair child. I think it's awesome. I actually think this chair is actually really comfortable. If I had to say one thing right now, though, I've been sitting in it for a couple hours now. It does feel like it's going to be extremely plush and soft. But for me, as you guys know, I've said this before about gaming chairs. I prefer gaming chairs, or I prefer mesh chairs and now fabric chairs, because of the heat thing. I run really hot, so chairs like these, I might actually put this chair on my over on my unboxing area and use it there, because it is a very comfortable chair. I would highly recommend this chair if you are looking for something that is going to be very sturdy. Definitely has that. And with the whole heat factor thing, like I said, showed you guys the website, I really would, I don't know, maybe they'll send me that one, but I really wish they would have sent me the cooling one, the fan one, because I feel like that one would be really good for me, keep cool. The lumbar support is really cool with the little vibration function. I noticed it's actually quite strong, and I noticed what it is. It's a cylinder inside of the lumbar pillow, which it's really stuck in there around the foam, and when you turn it on, it vibrates actually quite strong. So that's a really cool feature. Also, I know you guys can't see them, but the armrest that I showed you, it's not the traditional armrests that go up and down, side and side and everything, which is why I'm saying it's very much an office type office type chair, which has fixed armrest, which actually some people may really enjoy it. Very, very soft, very plush as well. And the last thing I want to say about this chair is I did take some pictures. I'm not going to show them right now because it would take too long to go through all of them, but I'm actually going to put them over on my website. I'm going to do a blog. I've started doing blog posts over there. I'm going to do a full review of this chair in blog post form with pictures and everything, kind of showing you guys certain parts of it, including the heavy dutiness of this chair. On the bottom part where you see all the construction, you know, the levers and everything, it definitely shows there just how strong it is. This chair is definitely rock solid. Also, another benefit, another plus, is it has the spacers, and a lot of you guys may know spacers is what prevents a chair from creaking. Now, this chair does make a lot of noise, but that's because of the leather on leather, which again, I still don't know if this is real leather or not, but it sure feels like it. And the carbon fiber-esque kind of feeling of it, like you can see right there a little bit. It's awesome. It's awesome. But anyway, so Little Bird and I, he gives this chair 2 paws. He gives this chair 2 paws up. It's very plush and comfortable. He says that he's going to take it for himself. It's going to be his chair from now on. But again, huge thanks to KILLABEE for sending me this chair to check out. Like I said, I'll have a more extensive, in-depth review or kind of analysis of it on my website. In blog form, and in the near future I think I'm going to be doing kind of like a video, you know, like squaring off all the different chairs that I've been sent, kind of seeing which ones are more fit. I was surprised that this chair isn't wider than it is. I thought it, but actually it fits perfectly. If you are between that height differential that they gave and between that weight, it's actually perfect. It feels really snug and comfortable. I'm really enjoying it. But anyway, I'm gonna leave it there, guys. Again, huge thanks to KILLABEE. Check out the link down below in the description if you want, and of course use code PGNT if you guys want to take advantage of the discount. I really appreciate them sending it out. Thanks again. Thank you for watching, guys. As always, I am DUJ2. This is Little Bird, and please do us a huge favor. Have yourself a wonderful day. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.